Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss exercise 3.1 question number 19 to 31. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to discuss exercise 3.1 question number 19 to 31. So let us start solving. Here we are going to solve exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1 question number 19, which says that 2x plus 3y plus 4z with multiplying 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 6xy minus 12yz minus 8zx. So on seeing this part, we are getting that it is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It will be a plus b plus c, where a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is the formula. Putting it in this form, we will find it as 2x ka whole cube plus 3y ka whole cube plus 4z ka whole cube. So here it is minus 3abc. So minus 3 into 2x into 3y into 4z. So on solving this, we will get 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 64z cube minus 3 to just 6, 6 3 ja 6 into 3. Here it is minus 72xyz is the answer here in this question. Here the 20 question is, find the product of the following. First part is x plus 1, here x plus 2, here x plus 3. On solving we will get as x cube plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 x square plus 2 plus 6 plus 3, here x plus 6. So we will get x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 is the answer here in this question. Let us solve the 22nd question, in which we have to find the product only x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 4. So on solving, we will get x cube plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus 4 x square, here plus 6 plus minus 12, here minus 8 x plus 6 into 4 equal to 24 here. On solving this, we will get x to the power 3 plus minus 5 plus 4 equal to minus 1 minus x square, here minus 20 minus 6 equal to 14. So here 14x plus 24 is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 21st question, which says that find the coefficient of x square and x in the product of x minus 3, x plus 7 and x minus 4. On solving this, we will get here x cube plus minus 3 plus 7, here minus 4, x square plus 21 minus 28, here plus 12, here x plus 4, here on solve it is 84. So let us solve it. X3 plus minus 7 only and plus 7. So here the coefficient of x square is 0. So it is 0 into x square plus, on solving this, we will get minus 21, 28, so 9, 49 minus 12. So here minus 37x plus 84 is the answer in this. In the coefficient of x square is 0. So here coefficient of x square equal to 0. Then coefficient of x is equal to minus 37 is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 22nd question, which says that if a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 का whole square, find the value of x here. So we have a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a square plus 4 plus 2a. So on solving this, we will get here 4a. X is equal to, on comparing x is equal to 4 as the answer here in this question. Here the 23rd question says that use a plus b का whole square formula a square plus 2ab plus b square to evaluate the following. First part is 101 का whole square. So let us put it as 100 plus 1 का whole square equal to 100 का whole square plus 1 का whole square plus 2 into 100 into 1 equal to 40 plus 1 plus 200 equal to 140 plus 201. Here 10201 is the answer here in this question. Now the second part is 1003 का whole square. So let us put it as 1000 plus 3 का whole square equal to 1000 का whole square plus 3 का whole square plus 2 into 1000 into 3 equal to 60 plus 9 plus 6000 here equal to 100 here 6 00009. So here we have this as the answer in this question. Let us solve the 23rd third part, which is 10.2 का whole square. On solving this, we will get 10 plus 0.2 का whole square equal to 10 का whole square plus 0.2 का whole square plus 2 into 10 into 0.2 equal to 100 plus 0.04 plus 20 into 0.2. So here we have 100 plus 0.04 plus 4 equal to 104 plus 0.04 equal to 104.04 as the answer here in this question. Here the 24th part says that use a minus b का whole square to evaluate the following. First part is 99 का whole square. So on solving this part, we will get as 100 minus 1 का whole square equal to 100 का whole square plus 1 का whole square minus 2 into 100 equal to 40 plus 1 minus 200. Here on solving, we will get 1 minus 200 equal to 10. Here 10 only. 100 minus 2, 98 is the answer. So this is the answer here in this question. Let us solve the 24th second part here, as it is 997 का whole square. So we will subtract 1000 minus 3 का whole square equal to 60 here plus 9 minus 6000 equal to as 994009 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve 24th third part, which says that 9.8 का whole square we have to find. So it will be 9 प्लस 0.8 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 9 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 0.8 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into 9 into 0.8. So here on solving this we will get 81 plus 0.64 plus 18 into 0.8. So here we have 81 plus 0.64 plus 14.4. Let us solve it. On solving this, we will get 96.04 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 25th part, which says that by using suitable identity, evaluate the following. First part says that 103 ka cube. So we will apply Sabot identity which contains cube here. So we can write it as 100 plus 3 ka whole cube. Here formula of a plus b ka whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus b. So let us find it by using the formula 100 ka whole cube plus 3 ka whole cube plus 3 into 3 into 100. Here 100 plus 3. So let us solve this. Here 60 plus 27 plus 900. Here 100 plus 3. On solving this we will get plus 27 plus 103 into 900 equal to 9 to 700. So on solving this we will get, so here the answer is 1092727 on solving. So this is the answer here in this question. The fifth second part is 99 ka whole cube equal to 100 minus 1 ka whole cube. Here on solving we will get 100 ka whole cube minus 1 ka whole cube minus 3 into 100 into 1. Here 100 minus 1 equal to 60 here minus 1 minus 300 into 99. On solving this, 160 here minus 1 minus equal to 29700. Let us solve it now. On solving this we will get 970299 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve 25th third part, which is 10.1 ka whole cube. So on solving we will get 10 plus 0.1 ka whole cube equal to 10 ka whole cube plus 0.1 ka whole cube plus 3 into 10 into 0.1. Here 10 plus 0.1 equal to 1000 plus 0.001 plus 3. 10.1 equal to 1000 plus 0.001 plus 30.3 equal to 1030.301 as the answer here in this question. Let us solve the 26th question, which says that if 2a minus b plus c equal to 0, then we have to prove that 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac is equal to 0. So here this is equal to 0. So we can write this as, on solving, 2a plus c equal to b. So let us squaring both sides. On squaring to form it like this, 2a plus c ka whole square equal to b ka whole square. 4a square plus c square plus 4ac equal to b square. Here on getting it on minus here, 4a square plus minus b square plus c square plus 4ac. So it becomes same as this one, equal to 0 here. Hence proved. Hence proved that it is equal to 0. Let us solve the 27th question, which says that if a plus b plus 2c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. So here it is an identity of formula a plus b plus c. Here a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus CA is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So here we have, as we can see, that if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, its whole power becomes 0, and we will get as A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0. Hence the same formula we can put it in this, because it is a cube of this only, so we can write it as this is equal to 0 here, so this whole thing will be 0. So we can write it as A plus A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube minus 3 6ABC equal to 0. So we can write it A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube is equal to 6ABC. Hence proved by this that it is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube is equal to 6ABC. Let us solve the 28th question, which says that if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then find the value of A square by BC plus B square by CA plus C square by AB. So let us find it. Here we have A plus A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0 here. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Now dividing here by ABC on both sides, we can get it as let us divide it. So A cube by ABC equal to plus B cube by ABC plus C cube by ABC equal to 3ABC divided by ABC. So dividing here by ABC on both sides. So let us write it here. A square by BC plus B square by AC plus C square by AB equal to 3. Therefore, the value of A square by BC plus B square by CA plus C square by AB is 3. Hence, this is the answer of this question. Let us solve the 29th question, which says that if x plus y equal to 4, then find the value of, we have to x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64. So on solving this, we will get, let us cube on both sides. So x plus y ka whole cube plus 4 ka whole cube. On cubing both sides, we will get x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, here x plus y equal to 64. So substituting the value x plus y, we will get x cube plus y cube plus 3xy here into 4 equal to 64. So x cube plus y cube plus 12xy equal to 64. So hence proved that x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64 equal to 0 here. Hence proved. Let us solve the 30th question, which says that without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of 27 cube plus minus 17 cube plus minus 10 cube. Here first part is this only, minus 17 ka cube plus minus 10 ka cube. So here on solving, we will get 20. Let us add firstly a plus b plus c. If it is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc here. So here we have 27 minus 17 minus 10 equal to 0 here. So on solving, we will get 27 ka whole cube plus minus 17 ka whole cube plus minus 10 का whole cube equal to 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. So we will cancel out this minus from here. We will get as answer as 1377 is the answer here in this question. Plus 15 का whole cube plus 13 का whole cube. So on solving this we will get a plus b plus c. If it is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc here. So minus 28 plus 15 plus 13 here is equal to 0 only. So we can write it minus 28 का whole cube plus 15 का whole cube plus 13 का whole cube. Here is 3 into minus 28 into 15 into 13 here, which is equal to minus 16,380 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 31st question. Using suitable identity, find the value of, here we have to find the value of 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into 14 divided by 86 into 86 minus 86 into 14 plus 14 into 14. Here by seeing this we can use the formula as on solving we will get here a cube plus b cube is equal to here a plus b, here a square minus ab plus b square. On solving this we will get a cube plus b cube divided by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a plus b only as the answer. So this is also in this form only, because there are a cube 86 का whole cube plus 14 का whole cube, here 86 का whole square minus 86 into 14 plus 14 का whole square. So we can use this formula like this. Here it is a plus b. So 86 plus 14 here equal to 100 is the answer here in this question.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.